Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to share your screen with sound in Google Meet. First, join or start a meeting in Google Meet using the Chrome browser. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a button called Screen Share. Click it and you will be given different options. You can share your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. If you only want to show one specific tab in Chrome and include its sound, select the option for a Chrome tab. A small window will open showing the list of your open tabs. At the bottom of that window, there is a checkbox that says Share Tab Audio. Make sure you check it before you click Share. This way, the sound from that tab is sent into the meeting. If you want to show everything on your screen, you can select Entire Screen. When you choose this option, you may see checkbox that says Share Audio is grayed out. You can only share audio with the Chrome tabs option. To stop sharing, move your mouse back to the Google Meet window and click Stop Sharing at the bottom. This will return you to the regular meeting view. That is all you need to do to share your screen with sound in Google Meet. Thanks for watching.